front of me is DOOGEE X95, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications on this DOOGEE device. First of all, go into Settings. Now click on Apps and Notifications and choose Notifications. Finally, select CO from last 7 days and tap on Most Recent. Now choose the best option for you: Most Recent, Most Frequent, or Turned Off. I want to set up Most Frequent, so I have to click on it. And finally, tap on the switcher next to one of my apps from which I don't want to receive notifications. So when I do that, as you can see, all notifications from Google Play Store are off, but you can always switch them back on by tapping on the same switcher again. If you want to, you can also just click on one of your apps and manage all notifications thanks to this switcher next to Show Notifications. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!